Hey guys, we are back with Sunday with Suri, episode 4. We've got your host Suri himself. We have got your co-host, Mr. Purvan Shori. Please say hi to girls.
To girls, I would like to say love you too. And to boys, hi bros, how are you going, mate? And Sasrikal, Kasakai, Kedwale, Kemonacho, and welcome to another vlog of Sunday with Suri.
Yo, and we have got a guest with us today. He contributes 50% in Australia's GDP just by working one day. One day a week he works and he contributes like 50%. His name is he's none other than Vishnu Gupta. Please say hi to our...
Hello and Assalamu alaikum, beautiful people. How are you guys going today?
They are going good, pretty sure, because they are my viewers. They are successful people. Only successful people watch me, bro. Just like Shivam Verma.
Just like me?
Just like Shivam Verma.
Oh, definitely.
Yeah, he got so successful that he got invited in our podcast today. See, rags to riches.
My player, man, my player.
We missed you.
So guys, if you remember from our podcast number 1, I was talking about how people in disability don't do shit anything, and I was suggesting that how people who work in disability, like, there is no problem in working in disability, but one should have a plan. We've got a man with a plan, Vishnu Gupta. He's going to tell us about his job. He's going to tell us about how he scored his job, how he started his journey in Australia, and then we'll just go down the path. We'll talk about it. Let's go. Start.
Wait.
No.
First,
No.
Introduce yourself to girls.
Introduce yourself to girls. Give us your dating profile. Imagine this is a Tinder profile. Let's go. What's happening?
I don't have a Tinder profile.
Roses are red, violets are blue. I cannot rhyme, but can I date you?
See, here's my
co-author.
Co-author.
If you get matched by Vishnu, then I'm the
probably
co-author
he's
of all
the
the
one
messages
who you are talking to. So
Yeah.
So feel free to message me. So guys, like as Gagan has told already about the first podcast he shooted, I have to raise up the concern about that. See, the thing was, it was better like he questioned that thing, and I can like solve that issue. So the thing is, like, what you will do with the skills and stuff, like by getting the skills in the IT. It's just making you work for someone else. And what about the disability? It's completely different. Like, why you have to take stress when you can earn money like stress free?
Yeah, that
Tell
is
me.
true, bro. That's what I'm saying, bro. You just have to go there and sleep and
See the thing.
What kind of skills are you learning just by sleeping?
It's not about the skills. It's about like earning the money. What skills you have earned throughout your job? Like,
Bro, I know
work
how
in a box.
I know how to change passwords now. See,
Oh, really?
I know how to change
Man,
passwords.
even-
I know how to scam people. I know how to change the router settings. I can do all that. What can you do? Fucking sleep and get beaten by people.
Man,
get bricks thrown at you.
See, the thing
From
is,
the people who are not even Kashmiri.
I have degree in cybersecurity networking. We are from the same bachelors.
And I am working in I am working in networking job. What is he doing? Sleeping with clients.
No.
Sleeping with clients.
No, like
Hey.
sleeping while they are sleeping in separate rooms, by the way.
Absolutely.
They're just like married couples sleeping in different rooms.
At least couples. What about you, huh?
But Mr. Vishnu, this has been a really good point of concern. Can you tell me some drawbacks of your field as well as some, better things?
Okay,
you
let's
can
start with drawbacks.
See, I completely agree. You don't learn enough skills. You sit free, do nothing. But the main thing is, I'm earning more than like anyone is. Okay,
True.
even better job than whatever they are doing. I am earning good job. But the drawback is completely like you not learning like new skills and stuff. But the thing is, you have enough time to sit down and learn or work on yourself. You can do anything. It's
Good
not
point.
just about like sitting there and doing nothing. You can always work on your side hustles or like whatever skills you want. not like the skills you learning at the job to just work for another person.
So can you like tell everyone basically about an average day at your job? Like,
See, it's-
because I haven't worked in disability at any point in my life, so we don't know, like we have some misconceptions and
So-
stuff.
Okay, just
Frank-
break some myths. Break some myths that people
so
have.
the thing is, frankly telling, it's nothing other than like what you guys do at home, like cooking, a bit of cleaning, and you go. The best thing about it is like you go around the place, and you having fun all the time. Why don't you earn money like that instead of computer like these two, just in front of computer sitting all day and doing like just IT. Why you can just go anywhere you want to do whatever you want to do and just earn in that way. Isn't that like good?
What he basically is trying to say is just sleep with the clients and you learn a lot of
Sleep
money.
with the clients?
No, like
Too
sleep in different rooms. Different.
See, now
okay,
if-
no, I'm just
if-
okay. I'm just joking.
Now if I completely like come to the objective of this job, it is to empower other like disabled people to feel them like they are not disabled and they have a lot of things they can do in this world, which I don't think so India has. Don't cry, brother. If you
Hard
did had
fact.
disability, you would have,
Bro, I'm mentally disabled. What are you talking?
But we know that.
get a citizenship, and I will help you getting
Wow.
a disabled plan.
Even for guys, see, even for disabled people, they need citizenship. Why can't retards like me just work? Like just be disabled and get
Citizenship,
services.
man. It's all
Citizenship
about
is everything,
citizenship.
that's what I'm saying.
Otherwise, like if India did had anything like that, they would be in like you would already be on the plan,
Bro, I would
I'm just
already be
kidding,
on
just
roads.
kidding, just
I would
kidding,
already
yeah.
be on roads.
Begging. But like it's just a question. Like we all came like on the same time. Everyone had the same opportunity. It's just whoever made the most out of it.
Guys,
So-
let me tell you one fun fact about India. Disabled people are earning more. About India. Disabled people are earning more than a starting level IT role guy.
But isn't it due to their number
They
of
are
hours
begging. That's what I'm
Yeah.
saying. They are begging 24/7 on roads. Like even if they are not disabled, they will just act as their one leg is not working, and they will just sit down on the road. And people like you and me are just giving away money.
See, the main thing about disability, I think, why government is giving a lot of money in this sector is because like they want a flow in the market. Because we getting money at the end, it's going again to the participant. We are getting money. A lot of
Yeah.
job opportunities are there, but like in India, a lot of like black money. People are just collecting at home, and there's nothing coming in the market. So I think it's just nothing like but a flow of money in the market.
Yeah, he'll earn money, then he'll buy Mustang, do Uber, and would go get Armani shoes, Armani
I have-
watches.
I have
all
done
these
nothing
things,
like that.
All
Nah.
these things pay taxes, and
I have done nothing
and
like
just,
that.
Just show off. Just show off like his Armani. watch.
Tell me, I am just driving a Kia Rio 2011. What kind of show off I can
Because
do?
he's saving up for a BMW.
Yeah. No,
I can-
no. BMW is just for 2 to 3 years.
Oh,
The main plan is G-Wagon, G63 top of the line, which is for $500,000. He'll pay cash.
The thing is, I can buy it tomorrow as well.
see.
Nah. I
Hypocrisy,
haven't earned
hypocrisy.
$500,000 in 5 years of Aussie land.
But
This
say
guy
on your,
already
say
have
on
it.
your words, man. At least say on your words. You
What?
said like he's saving and stuff, and now when I said like I can buy tomorrow, and
See, that's what I'm saying. He already have that money saved. He wanna buy
Can
something
you-
bigger. He wanna buy a house.
Can you tell us something? How were you taken to this field? Like, not who told you, but how did you get to know about disability and stuff?
so
Yeah.
see it was.
Wait,
my-
let's pause. Tell us about what you were doing before disability.
See, I have done a lot of jobs.
Hmm.
I think most of the jobs I have done. I have worked in like kitchen hand, in Italian shop, in pizza shop, in cleaning, in like fuel station, McDonald's as well, yeah. McDonald's.
Flipping burgers.
But the problem is he was fired from everywhere.
Who said you that? Who
Whenever
said
he
you that?
joined the role became redundant.
Guys, let me tell you a dark secret about his job. He gets fired from everywhere, but you know why he's not getting fired from his disability work? Because there is no one to complain. If a client goes to, you know, who do they report to?
His manager,
Go to his manager or something to report. What he's gonna do is gonna get his belt off his waist, and then he's gonna beat him up.
But the thing is
No,
that
no,
if,
bro,
if
we're
a
not
client-
talking about your life, eh? What you gonna do?
No. I'll cut that in edit. Say
No,
whatever you want
no,
to say.
No, man. See,
Okay,
stay
no.
on your words, eh?
Okay.
So the thing is, nothing has happened.
It's just a joke, guys.
It's just a joke. I do have all my jobs. It was me who just gave up for better opportunities.
See, that is the key learning from this podcast. Give up shitty jobs and move on to the better opportunities. That's why we've got this intelligent guy, IQ 80.
What about yours?
80 into 2. 80 into 2. He's got 160 IQ. Better than Einstein.
in 3 lives. But Mr. Vishnu, a very hypothetical question.
No, wait.
If-
But the other thing is, if I think like I wasn't too comfortable and if I wasn't in disability, I would have easily got an IT job by now.
That's what I was talking
That
about.
is true, that is true.
That if you were to give your disability job, like not what field would you choose and why?
See, the thing is like I will always go for my own business.
Okay.
See, the thing is like the job is never a security. Even a permanent person can be fired tomorrow by saying you are redundant tomorrow.
But what if it's an
Facts.
ongoing role? An ongoing role is
even
never-
my brother was a business analyst. He was redundant straight away, like because his company thought we don't need anymore.
But if it's an ongoing role, you can't fire the guy unless it.
It was an ongoing role, bro. He was just talking to stakeholders and all that stuff. It was just like and my other friend who works with me in disability, he just took a month off, just saying like I just got to know like no one is permanent. I am just replaced like this tomorrow only. So
No, true, bro. My friend also got like fired. He was a network revenue analyst.
But he deserved that.
No, he deserved that. And then you know, guys, if you get fired from a business analyst job, naturally you're going to look for like a business analyst role. That guy is built different. He just chose to do sales. He went from a English medium school to a school which speaks English medium. He's selling bullshit cars like Cherry, which doesn't have any which doesn't get any services. All these.
he will get back to you after this podcast, eh?
Next podcast we'll invite him and he's gonna do all his salesmanship, all why Nissan cars, why Cherry cars are good. That's what he's gonna do. That's what he's gonna say about. That's why I'm planning not to invite him till next season. Maybe I'll invite him with Shivam Verma. Then
That's a
just
good
see.
idea, actually.
Yeah, but that podcast will be super hit.
That podcast
Because
will
only
be.
those two will watch.
Yeah. we'll only get 2 viewers. Shivam
three,
Verma and
three.
3 viewers. Who's the
I
third
just
one?
forget what we were talking about.
Yeah.
No, I just forget what we guys are talking about.
We're talking about disability.
Okay, I have a question.
Redundancy.
So the thing is like even if you want to open a small cafe, but your business is your business and it's like a flexible thing to do. So I reckon like in a long run the business should be the ultimate goal for everyone.
True.
But Mr. Vishnu, I have 2 questions here.
Yes.
First,
You're only allowed to ask one. So ask the
okay. So
important
I'll
one.
ask the most
Important one.
yeah,
Relevant.
If let's say you are giving out a message to the new audience who just came to Australia, and even the old audience like us,
Yeah.
you always not convince us, but give points in the favor of.
Okay, let's just say
disability
my
and
sister
stuff.
is coming to Australia.
Yeah. So you are basically promoting to join disability and stuff. First hear me. The key comes now. So you are promoting the sector of disability. what do you think the future will be if a lot of people just get into this sector?
Yeah.
Will it make a difference on, let's say, your employment or the number of employment or the per hour pay rate and everything?
Is it getting crowded first of all?
Yeah.
It's already crowded. Even like in the previous podcast, whoever came, like Harshil, he got his citizenship now. Not citizenship, sorry,
He's got his
my bad.
PR.
Visa. Yeah, visa. And why will anyone leave his like IT job and join disability? Tell me one thing.
Because if you cut
Good
my
man.
hand, I'll bleed red. If you cut his hand, he'll also bleed red. That's what I know Arshil's answer would be.
No, bro, but that is the point. That's what I'm saying.
Yeah.
But
He has already got his visa sorted out. He's already got everything sorted out. He's having this. He's built a cafe now. He wants to focus on his cafe. He has already set up everything. Now he only wants to join disability because he wants to earn money. That is the point. Because he wasn't. Look, why didn't he join disability before? Because he wasn't learning any skill. Now he has learned all the skills. Now he has implemented all the skills. He's only getting into disability to
Just to
earn more money, so he
See-
can support the business and also support his lifestyle too.
The thing is, like, disability is already crowded. Some people are getting jobs, some people are still not getting jobs. It won't affect any of like people already working because like the pay rates and everything is set by the government.
Sent by the government.
So it won't affect any, but still like experience matters a lot. Even like I'm still in disability because I do have four years of experience. I reckon like it's the basic thing, like how to chat with the Australian kids. Actually, you might face some racism and stuff like that, like you from different country, we only want Australians and all that stuff. Like it's not an easy job. As you said, like when you have a worse days, you have worse days, like anyone can imagine. So like choose.
Can you also tell us the difference between aged care industry and disability? Like, you know, people work as personal care workers in aged care, and even you are working as a personal care worker basically.
Used to.
But in a disability sector, right?
Now it's different, like totally different. It's not like what you guys think. It's I used to work in this aged care as well earlier, and it's completely different. Like you have a lot of things to do. You have like completely like, you know.
So why did
different
you
roles.
quit aged care and join
Because it was
disability?
too much of the things, like, you know, to do. And the thing is, it's safer for the women. Like, I'm not saying because like they are not more responsible
So
or they
you're
can't
trying to
handle
say
the
that the
responsibility.
old people are like gentle with women. More
Yes,
gentle with
they're
women.
gentle with the
than-
women,
than-
and like
than
sometimes
guys.
women need someone.
Yeah.
And aged care always have ENs and RNs which are there every time. And in disability, you are by yourself.
Fair. And I have let's I think it's too long. Let's end with one question, which is a very, very important question.
What's that?
We were talking about how, pretty much to sum it up, just I want you to give a message to the people who are working in disability but they don't know, like they're not doing anything for themselves. So you're earning good money from working in disability but you're not learning skills. So how do you fill that gap? Like you personally, how do you fill that gap of not learning a skill? Like, are you doing some certifications, or are you working on your business, or are you planning to open a business and learning about how to open that business? What are you doing? Just enlighten our viewers.
So see, the thing is, as I said earlier as well, like you can always work on yourself side by side, like during the this job. You can always learn about digital marketing, which is the like key job, I guess, in this year.
Digital marketing in disability.
Any man, like all the businesses are on digital marketing.
So
One of
if
my
you want to open your own business, let's just say if you want to open your own disability business, so you're saying that learning digital marketing would help you.
Yeah, absolutely, and obviously the knowledge of disability as well, not just the digital marketing. So digital marketing will help in his own way, and experience will help in his own way. So yeah, digital marketing, like what you will do with the knowledge if you don't have any clients coming to you in your business. So
Yeah.
it always works side by side, both of the things. And my friend, his girlfriend is like digital marketing person. Expert, yeah, expert. So she's handling all the business digital marketing.
Yeah.
And my friend told me like the company sold around $12 million worth of products. They are basically like pharmaceutical
Yeah,
company.
they're pharmaceutical company. Under the pharmaceutical business, they sell vibrators.
Yeah, and
I have a question. Does his girlfriend
yeah.
has any hot friend?
She's in late 30s, like 38, 40, something like that.
So-
Yeah.
Age is just a number, and jail is just a room.
Why don't you find one? So yeah, she's earning like around 300,000 per year.
Crazy.
300,000
Just-
rupees?
Bro,
No, dollars, man.
Dollars?
AUD in a year, like with a lot of.
It's almost
bonuses
like a
and salary.
surgeon.
Exactly. That's why I'm telling you, like
That is
digital
crazy, man.
marketing
That is crazy, man.
big hype at the moment. Hype or like good skills as well. You can learn. So
okay, guys,
So,
that's enough.
before we
That's enough
go-
information for today. I'm gonna sign off. Before that, let's. Purvanchori has something to say.
Before we go, any message to
भाई दे तो दिया कितने मैसेज
any message to girls?
Any message
Arre,
to any message to girls? They are watching you, bro. You never know. Maybe they wanna contact you.
Because
give
of
up,
your
give
money,
your
definitely.
Instagram ID because I'm not gonna put that in description.
See, the thing is, like, I am friend with Gagan and Purvansh. If you have any of them in your friend list, just search Vishnu, and I will be there. Just message me. I'm just a message away. So
Yeah, you can
Just
ask,
guy, you can see he's a low effort guy. So
yeah,
stay away from
and you
him,
can
motherfucker.
ask for money because, as you know, he contributes around 50% to Anthony Albanese's salary per week. So yeah, he should
like
be able
in
to help
Texas,
you.
basically in Texas, exactly. Yeah.
And he wants to, he wants to get used. He wants to get heartbroken.
Heartbroken.
He wants to get heartbroken. He's looking for only toxic girls. So
Yeah.
hereby I request to all toxic females, please contact Mr. Vishnu Gupta.
Yeah.
He's got money. He's got good car soon. He's got good car soon, and
And-
he's gonna get a. He's gonna. Inshallah, boys played well. He's
The
gonna
main
get a,
thing,
Yeah.
the main thing, his Insta bio says only red flag girls.
Only red flag girls. See,
So
I don't know which profile they're watching. But
Cake
that's not
murderer.
me.
cake murder on 9th April
That's not me.
2000, sorry. By the way, you know his birthday, so
Let's go.
you can just pay ID him,
PID.
the Sagan. Sagan is basically token of
अबे
love
साले
in
शादी
form of
थोड़ी हो रही
money.
है.
Token of love in a form
Oh,
of
yeah,
money
yeah, definitely.
Let's
as a birthday gift. Alright,
Always open
for
Sasrikal Kasakai Kedwale Kemonacho signing off.
Signing off. See ya. Bye.
See ya.